ahead with our circle. We finished our pledge, and now let's look at our month. It is March. Let's figure out what day it is.
All right, say our day. Sing our days of the week.
So when you touch it, that means that you want to start all over again with the timer because you touched it. Today you have 5 minutes on the timer.
Days of the week.
No.
Days of the week.
Next time you touch, and you start
Days of the
all over
week.
again,
Days of the week.
It's a day, this is another day. This is another day, another day. Days of the week. 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 There's a day, another day. This is another day. It's a Friday, and then it's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Where were you? Nice job. So if we scroll down here, right here we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, March 25th, 2021. Go ahead and we are going to do our pattern. Now remember our pattern is 3 of each. 1, 2, 3, hat. 1, 2, 3, clover. 1, 2, 3, hat. 1, 2, 3, clovers. What goes here?
Hat.
Hat. Good job. Here's a hat. What do you think tomorrow's supposed to be? A hat or a clover?
Clover.
Ooh, look. Clover, clover, clover. Hat.
Hat.
Tomorrow's supposed to be a hat. Did we remember that tomorrow? Tomorrow is the last day of our school week. Let's see. We said that it was going to be snowy yesterday. It was not snowy yesterday. What was it doing yesterday?
Raining.
It did. It rained all day yesterday. What is our weather doing outside today?
Windy. Cloudy.
Windy and cloudy. Good job. Let's see.
And wet. It's wet outside.
All right, my friend at home, can you make a prediction for tomorrow? All right. We said it was going to be sunny and cloudy tomorrow. Thank you. Oops, I popped right past it. All right, let's go ahead and say our ABCs together. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Nice big voices, not too loud. We're not yelling. We're just saying our ABCs in a nice big voice, okay? Ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Nice job. I heard one of my friends. I heard actually 2 of my friends.
Funny.
You were doing a great job. Let's count to shape is the color blue?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Moving on. What, my friends here, what color is disgust?
Green.
Red. What color is my fish?
Orange.
And what color is the Oreo?
Black.
Black. Nice job. All right. Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
What is this?
Penny.
A penny. We know it's a penny because it has that brown or copper coloring to it. It is worth 1 cent. All right, what number is this?
2.
2. This one?
8.
8.
10.
10.
9.
9.
6.
6.
7.
What number?
7.
Number?
No, no moaning. We're using our big voice. And what number?
5.
Nope. Big
5.
voice.
1.
1.
4. 3.
3. All right, and we're moving on. We're looking at our letters. Sorry, L, F, G, H.
L-F-E.
Sorry, E. I'm sorry, M.
All right, let's start that again.
L, F,
E,
E, H, T, I, U, C, magic C, O, Q, G, S,
J,
and we're working on D.
D.
D. Remember we have that tongue behind our teeth? D.
Z.
Moving up to the top. D.
Z.
Remember B? We put our lips together. B. But this is the letter D.
Z.
D. Not between our teeth. D. D. Not between, not Z. Behind our teeth. Up to the roof of our mouth. D. D. All right.
D.
Going on. Let's get our mats out so we can make the letter D.
D.
Mhm. Pull your pieces out and put them at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it
At the top.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. Reach up, reach to the top. Good. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Good. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Towards the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better.
Remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom. Show me bottom.
The top?
Where's the middle?
Top,
Show me the
top, top. These are the letters.
The top. All right. We're making the letter D.
D.
We're going to grab our big line.
Big line.
We put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face.
Don't cover.
Don't cover Mr. Matt's smiling face. Now we're going to grab our big curve and put it onto our mat to make the letter D. Wait for all my friends to get that on their mat.
My friend at home, do you have the letter D written on your mat? Give me a thumbs up. Good job.
All right. Let's put our hands in our lap. Listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. No. Big curve. Let's try it again. Miss Mozinga needs practice. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big curve. We're making the letter D. Make it with me. Fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down, frog jump up, big curve. One more time, fingers at the
Top.
and we say big line down, frog jump up, big curve. And that is the letter D. And D says excellent. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time today. We'll see you tomorrow for a fabulous Friday.